up, everybody? Hope you're doing all so, baby. Here's a let's go by the name. Yeah. Yala 254. So here we are. We are at, where is this? The Oloolua Nature Trail, and we are getting in. So we are here for a social Sunday, a fun day with my team here, the ambassadors. Yeah, and keep tuned, man. Going to be lit. Gonna update you in everything, every activity we're gonna do. So here we are. We are getting into the sites, and yeah, please do not litter. Some few instructions. Unatoa tu simu upige picha, hata ujali ni brand gani, unatoa tu. So yeah, we have a river, man, and yeah, I don't know which river is it. It is. Seems inaweza kuwa Nairobi. Seems like a good place. It has many sceneries, beautiful. So here is a poster welcoming you to Oloolua Nature Trail. So this is the entrance, guys. Oopsies, I'm missing a photo. Here we are. I'm missing a photo. So here, yeah. So here's the photo guy. And here's the crew, man. So we're here to have fun. Keep posted. We're going in. Imagine I'm going to put you on YouTube so that you can be celeb internationally. See? Yeah, so yeah. This is my sis, man. And here some people are watch out. And that's all. Here's the whole crew. Washaanza kuhema na hata hatuja panda kitu.
You want to know types of tree?
Who is the name of this tree?
Kizungu wewe.
Who is the English one? Let me
Waterfall. Waterfall.
That's the whole crew, man. So we're just having a small chit chat as we have fun.
Global warming and climate adaptation. Hiyo imefanya ulimwengu
some teaching here and there, so listen.
We don't normally have the kind of pattern that we had huko kitambo, isn't it? Na we have prolonged rains, na rains zingine zinakuja wakati haifai, isn't it?
Yeah.
Then kuna a lot of drought issues that are going on, and therefore the United Nations through their department called environmental UNEP, United Nations Environmental Program. Everywhere in the world there are advocating for green energy. Sawa?
Yeah.
And for that green energy to ikuje, green energy, when you talk of green energy, we are talking of the natural one.
Okay.
The natural, renewable and renewable. We are talking about the renewable, that is the sun, the solar energy, the wind energy, those are green.
Okay.
And, for us to have such like things in the world, we don't have no planet B.
No planet B.
Ama tujaona.
Tumeona.
To have the planet that we have to do the greening. The greening. Panda miti mbili, panda miti, usikate miti, isn't it? So that's the whole thing concerning the greening of the world. Are we getting educated, guys?
Yeah, we are.
And what are some of the causes of global warming that we have?
Teacher?
Let me ask.
Teacher. The only bright student around. Teacher.
Yes, right on. What are the causes of global warming?
Okay, Mwalimu.
Yes, Dan.
The causes of global warming, one is industrialization.
Yeah, very correct. Yes. We have a flowing water, and there is if you study social study, that is ways of preventing soil erosion. So that is gabions. Gabion ndio yeye imebuildiwa hizo stones zenye ziko kwa Singenge. Yeah, Singenge wamesha. There's a flowing water and so we are continuing with the journey. And yeah, here's the other part of the flowing water. Don't know where the water is coming from, but yeah, who knows? So guys, man, this is a herbal. My restaurant is called aloe vera. Ukiwa na mashilingi, how are they called in English? Ringworms, yeah. Unapaka, zinaisha. And also ni dawa ya kuku, sijui hadi. Siko sure, lakini ni dawa. Na wasomesha hii Kenya. So guys, this is I don't know which river is this. River Nairobi, I don't know. So yeah, this is So yeah, this one is so fresh. Hey, whatever. I'm the sauce now.
You're the sauce now.
So yeah. We are done with some food games we ate, and now we are eating, as you can see. People are eating. What are you eating? Yeah, come. People are also eating. So it's like wako picnic. Yeah, you see? And here are others also. Yeah, look at this one.
Others with dendos and wachoyo some pay.
Dogo. And here are others. Ati hawa ni boyfriends za watu.
Wanakula
wako na watu ni
uko live. Bruno joko live. Uko kai. Oi.
Akina uko live, but guys, that's so there are some things that we are yet and some places that we are yet to visit, and I'll update you by ciao. Yeah guys, so this is the stage tunakula hadi ringo za wengine shine zile pia wako. So ni sisi tu. So yeah, hebu fungua haraka.
Ya coming.
Nakuja.
Wow. Kama kiunge vya mwagika. Good. So we go. Mimi sikulangi ringozi. Thank you. So here we are. We're going. Yangu na kapi Bruno. Babes wa mine. Ayo. Mlisema sina mchumba. Huyu hapa huyu. This mbona umechukua ringozi ya Bruno? Next time nikupata unachukua. So here we are. We are going. Here tuko cave. Inaitwa which cave? Inaitwa which cave?
Magoti zinatetemeka.
Yeah. Yeah, so we are in the Oloolua cave. So while it's dark, as always, let me put on the light. Seems like the cave is not that deep. I'm here. We're in the cave. I need some oxygen. Look at this place. See how it looks. I need some oxygen.
I don't have a problem.
I need some
See, we're from there. That is the entrance, and here we have a Mzungu.
And I'm also based on
You know, Kwani, we are not getting in.
There is enough.
Can to check? Yes. See it. Tuna check. Vitu which?
Huko chini kuna kitu bwana.
Hakuna.
Mulika huko mwisho.
Hakuna. Maybe I'm not going there. What is there? Kai. Oh,
The geos and the Bibles.
nini ziko huko? Kai. There's some birds. Huko. Kai, kuna kitu. Msiniogopeshe. Hizi sasa
unacheki. Kulikuwa na nini? Kulikuwa na watu walikuwa wamekaa hivi unavyomekaa. Long time ago in the age of me.
Yeah.
Unacheki hapo.
1896 BC. Yeah. Yes, ndio which. Wa?
It was long time ago. Before the was born. So, that day me and my fellow elders.
No, your fellow elders and you.
Ni birds tu. Sawa tulikaa hapo.
See some birds.
I hope you guys have been fun.
These are?
So that is my fellow elder.
Msiteleze.
Unataka kurudi? Aswito.
Mbona sweet ni kwa?
Alafu.
Guys.
Alafu the story.
Naweka.
Ben! Webs anakuita. Ako nje, ameshindwa kuingia na tumbo.
Mbona kuna bat? Brian. Brian.
Yes.
You guys listen.
Yaki wasichana. Wewe Ben umesikia ukimwacha huko unaexpect. So guys, I want to leave history here. I don't know kama sijui kama itaandikika. Singekuwa wazungu ingekuwa at least. I want to write yala. I don't know kama inaonekana. Yala, najua you must live history. This is our country, Kenya. Yala faith.
Acha nione ikiisha kama ni kweli. Acha confirm.
And Bruno Okay, sir. Bruno Yala faith. So it's you, it's me. So we are each.
Luisa.
B. Bruno.
Afu niandike mimi na mama wako.
Yeah.
Mimi na mama.
Na. At your hands. Yes, God, please.
And I've got
here. Yeah, there is our name, our family name. So we've left history in Oloolua bamboo trees. Here is the waterfall. Wow. And some guys on the panda. These are rich. So I want to take some pictures. Yeah. This is the place. I want to see how it looks. Yeah. We are done here in the waterfall, so we want to go to the next step. I don't know whether we are done with them or what. So yeah, but it's even raining by the way currently. It's drizzling, but it has been a nice day for real. It was a nice adventure coming to this place as a first timer, and I've really enjoyed it by the way. So if at all you're looking for a place to come and adventure with your friends, family, you can come to Oloolua. It's in Westland, Nairobi. Yeah. So guys, these are the challenges we encountered during camping, and it's not easy. It's raining, guys, as you can see. Some of you hawajaiona real mvua. Now this is it. Manze, ona mali tumejificha ati mvua itunyeshei. Miti mse. But pray for us to see. Aki my hair wa. But it's okay. So yeah, these are some of the challenges. We are off to where our vehicle is so that we can go and go back to our home place. Oh, I forgot to say this place is called Oloolua. I don't know what. At the river, the waterfall is so there. That is Baga, the river. Yeah, so it's a nice place to come with your friends and your family to enjoy and have a good time. Ciao.